Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog, even though it's been like 8 months since my last one. Yeah, it's definitely been a while and I definitely miss vlogging and being more active on Instagram. It's summer, it's definitely car season now, so there's more to do, more to post, and I was super busy the last couple months and now I'm just managing my time better. Before, it was just like I got so overwhelmed with all the new side hustles that I have, and I was like, okay, I gotta push social media away for a little bit. But now I'm like, okay, I can just manage my life better, and each day I just do a lot, but now I'm not as overwhelmed because now I'm already kind of used to it. So now I think I can manage my busy life better than I was. So hopefully I could be more active on here and on Instagram and TikTok. Yeah, I recorded this part after the install just because honestly I wasn't sure how it's gonna go. The new steering wheel was sitting in the garage since October because it was just too cold to work in the garage. Like, I don't have a heater in here, and Michigan is brutal. It's just so bad. But yeah, so it's finally on. My boyfriend definitely helped me like big time. He guided me through the whole process, and we did watch like 3 other YouTube videos, so they went very detailed and thorough. And for me, like when it comes to wires or just anything important like the airbag, the steering wheel is a big deal. Like, I'm supposed to be able to control my car correctly, right? So I took it slowly and we like watched every video thoroughly. I will link all the videos that I watched below for you guys if you want to see that, if you're like trying to do this on by yourself and need more details in the process. The videos I will link below will definitely help you and guide you big time because they helped us for sure. Sorry guys that this video isn't completely thorough and detailed on the install. Hopefully it helps a little bit, but definitely check out the videos that I linked below because those were very, very helpful. So check those out. And yeah, I wanted to record this because each modification is so important to me. Like, I just love modifying this car. For me, I feel like I have to vlog each modification just because I will want to go back and watch it later. Yeah, enough of me talking because I can talk for a while. So let me show you guys what the steering wheel looks like and let me know what you think. And thanks again for watching and thanks for supporting me. I love you guys. Things first, we gotta disable the battery. Okay. Alright, so it's disabled, but let's double check the car. Alright, so everything's dark. There's no light. Well, where's my key? Yeah. So I'm gonna double check with the key. There's nothing, no light is showing, so it's completely dead and it's safe to take off the airbag. Like a little dimple. Feel it, and then, ooh, okay. Push the screwdriver all the way, that way you can hear the clip, and the lever will make it pop out. Okay, that's out now. Okay, I think it's this now.
It's not, it's still in there.
Alright, not yet.
You got the hang of it?
Yeah, I think so.
You can open up a shop soon.
Out of the way. Oh, okay, it's out. Alright. Okay, so the next thing is left. We just have to pull these out. I already unclipped it with the screwdriver, so it's just right here on top. And same for the black one. And then, there you go. Alright, it's off! Okay, so to remove this part, the buttons that I need, there's 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna use that 220 to unscrew it.
T20.
So is that 220? Oh, it sounded like I said 220?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna unscrew my old shifters just because I need the screws from there. But I got these to match the steering wheel, so everything's gonna be carbon fiber. This is from Auto Technic. Guys, I'm in love with it. It looks so good and it feels amazing.